Sing Sang Tai Tai Ho. My name is Karen Balan. I am from Itiaga, Isabela, Philippines. I am single parents. I have one son, alias 10 years old. My highest education entitlement is high school graduate. My hobbies are reading books, watching TV, cooking, and jogging. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 5 years. I serve one couple and 2 children, ages 6 and 8 years old. My duties are cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and cleaning the household chores. I want to work in Hong Kong because they give a high salary. I'm willing to take good care of newborn, toddlers, children, and elderly. I can also sing nursery rhyme like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate, and I promise to do my best at working. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.